All right, that is our first sale. All right, I finally decided I'm gonna make everything public. You see, I have been working on my third app for the past month. I used Weweb and Xano to build this app called Instagram.ai. This app lets you upload few selfies and the AI model will generate beautiful portraits of you. And as you can see on the screen, I'm using Elon as a test here. The app was launched using Facebook ads and I even got my first customer. While I built the app, I also did something. I screen recorded the entire process from scratch using Weweb and Xano. I showed how to build everything I have built inside the app, the authentication, the integrations, the AI models, everything. And not just that. I remember my first two apps, I had partners because I didn't know how to take care of marketing. I didn't know how to take care of the distribution. So what I did was I run my own Facebook ads for the third app, and I also got my first customer using Facebook ads. So I'm also including that in this free YouTube series. If you're watching this video, that means you are probably watching one of the videos from the set series. So if you want to watch the full series, I will have a playlist of that in my YouTube channel. And if you want to work with me or my team, you can also look at the links in the description and get in touch with me as well. By the way, before you jump into the video, a word of caution. These videos are filmed raw. That means there is very minimal editing, almost no editing. So there will be a lot of head scratches. There will be moments where I don't know what the heck to do. So I'll be thinking and, doing stupid things, but eventually we figure it out, right? If you're watching the series, that means the app was launched and we made our first sale and the user is happy with that. All right. So with that said, let's jump into the series. Thank you. All right. So this is kind of the moment of truth because today I am going to test the whole process from A to Z. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a model, and I'm going to name it Yadu because he's my best friend. I'm going to use his images. So I have 3 images ready. I reduced the number of images required to just 3 because I think 5 is too much. So we will just do 3, and with that we are going to do a full test. All right. So I'm going to click on start building my model, and we are going to send data to our backend, and we should be redirected to this page. And here you can see, okay, so our model is being built, and if I go check my models page, I can see the model is being added. It's in the building stage. And if I also look at my file, let me just quickly look at my file. And here, if I go to LoRa training, here I should be seeing a request, but I'm not seeing it yet. But sometimes LoRa can be slow. All right. So we'll just wait for that to complete. And once that is complete, we will resume this video. All right. So our generation just finished. And if we go back to our app now, go to our showcase, or not showcase, view my models. Yadu should be completed as it should be. That is great. We can also look at our Xano database. So if we check our Xano database, here you can see the latest one added. It has config file, LoRa file, everything. So that's why it's marked completed, right? Now let's go ahead and test this model out. Let's try to generate an image, right? So let's go to generate new images, and here we can select the model we want. In our case, it is Yadu, which is what we created, and we are going to generate an image. Let's see how that is going to look like. Did I click on it or not? I just click on it. Okay, so generating image. I added this text, do not close this app, because this is a REST API request. There are ways to queue this, but for now, this is an MVP and I am fine with this. Okay, so let's wait for the image to generate. Yadu lounging on a luxury yacht deck. Monaco harbor, background sleek designer sunglass, crisp white linen shirt, crystal blue Mediterranean waters, iconic Monte Carlo casino visible, sunset glow, champagne float in hands, exudes sophistication and elegance. Oh my freaking god. Unfreaking believable. To be honest, this looks exactly like him. Okay, so that is it. That is Instagram.ai. Our full test is now complete. Kind of looks like Yadu, maybe without sunglasses. All right. So we'll do everything like uh, dark sunglasses or something. We'll do something like that. Uh, designer sunglasses, non see through, right? Because I've seen FAL generating sunglass images and eyes are normally in there. I don't want that. So let's see if that can be fixed with a prompt. Okay. So let's wait for the image to generate and we'll just wait. All right. There you go. Uh, Not so much Yedu to be. Oh, maybe it is, but still looks pretty good. All right, pretty good. Now, if I go to showcase, I should be able to see all the images I've generated. Right. I also tested this with my cousin and my images, so everything looks kinda good. All right. So that is it. Speak to you later.